ladies and gentlemen, if you have been looking for an update in the YSL RICO trial that features none other than Young Thug, the update is this trial has been nothing short of ridiculous, and it might have had its most eventful week yet. An attorney defending one of the YSL defendants was arrested in court Thursday morning. You heard me, ladies and gentlemen. An attorney was arrested, which continues a chaotic couple days. We'll get to more in a second on what else happened. But first things first, the Fulton County Sheriff's Office said defense lawyer Anastasios Menetas was arrested and is now facing 3 charges, which include disruption of court proceedings, obstruction, and possession of pills that were not in their original container. The arrest of Menetas came a day after a chaotic scene in court in which at least 3 people were seen being handcuffed after multiple people were heard screaming at each other inside of the courtroom. As a matter of fact, there's video of Young Thug looking like, what is going on? He's in the midst of the court proceedings, and all he hears, like everybody else, is screams from outside of the courtroom. Those that were placed into cuffs were seen being walked out of the courtroom. The sheriff's office confirmed that Thursday the scene was started by the discovery of some marijuana with one of the defendants. Despite the trial entering its 4th month of jury selection, attorneys believe that the jury selection process could continue through the summer. In total, 14 defendants will stand trial, including Young Thug. They are accused of using his YSL record label to run a gang. I promise you, I did not make any of that up. I am not legally savvy enough to know if any of this helps Young Thug, if any of this makes it worse for him alongside his other defendants. I have no earthly idea. There is a bunch of noise right now. As a matter of fact, Young Thug's attorneys, one of them at least, Brian Steele, he actually approached the judge and told him, like, yo, this is kind of embarrassing that all this happened. And he even alluded to a lot of the media being present because someone within the DA's office actually leaked to the media that something big would be happening in court on the day that multiple people were arrested. And then obviously that came after the attorney was arrested for apparently having some pills that were not in the correct container. This is ridiculous, man. But again, there is a trial that's taking place and it's expected to take place and continue through the summer. I mean, this one, if you're looking for an ending to this one anytime soon, I would just tell you this. I'm no legal expert, but I'll say don't get your hopes up. Young Thug's attorney has been asking for just a bond because this proceeding has went longer than a lot of people expected. Some kind of knew this was gonna get messy. Thug's attorney has been denied that bond for his client. You just kind of gotta wait and see how this one plays out. I want to thank you guys so much for the time, love, and support. Is what your boy would never take for granted. Chaos continues in the YSL RICO case. I'm out.